Hi, this is a demo of a Sidekick AI skill for Microsoft 365 and SharePoint. And what we're going to do is read some Excel files stored within SharePoint and then try and populate tasks within Monday.com based upon those. So if we have a look in here, we can see in SharePoint we have a couple of files. This is the one we're most interested in, and it's got some project names, task names, who it's assigned to, start and end dates. And what we want to do is ask an AI to read those and then to populate the board with the data that's in there. So the first thing I'm asking is to read the spreadsheets in the SharePoint folder for this item. And now I'm going to say summarize the first one. Actually preview the data for the first one. Filter the data in the spreadsheet to only show rows from sales and marketing. So I've got marketing and product dev here, but let's see what it gives us now. I would like to import that data into Monday.com. So we're saying import the filtered data from the spreadsheet, only import data for projects, marketing and sales, add each row with the task name as the item name in the group tasks here, add appropriate columns, add the project name column from the spreadsheet as a drop down and populate it with each of the project names. We're telling it that the assigned to column is just a text field, and we want to add a status column and populate the drop down based on the percentage in the progress column. So quite a lot of things there. So now we can see that the columns have been created. And now we can see that all the items have been created. Here, all the tasks, and we've got the start and end dates, who they're assigned to, the project names here, and we've got a progress column here saying whether we're working on it, whether it's stuck or done. So that's it. Importing filtered data from Excel hosted on SharePoint into Monday.com. Thanks.